Got a new toy! And this is a little mini helicopter! And it's a Zap Goblin Fireball Havoc! And it can do this! So in this video we're going to build it and then we're going to see if we can fly it like that too. Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. And I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Oh guys, look how cute it is. Here's the canopy compared to the big goblin. Here's the tiny little tail boom. And here's a tiny little blade. Man, why am I getting addicted to model helicopters again? But don't worry, we're not going to be turning this into an RC helicopter channel. We've still got a whole load of new RC cars coming and that's still going to be the main focus. But we're still going to be doing some mods to the Land Rover Defender. I'm planning on fitting a supercharger to the Lambo, hence the VF hoodie. We've got to get this monster truck done fairly soonish as well, but for now let's build this little goblin. So this one here is the Havoc edition, which means it comes with a whole bunch of nice little upgrades like alloy servo mounts, alloy blade grip parts, some other bits and bobs, competition direct drive motor. It comes with all the servos and a little ESC, but you do need to supply your own radio, so I'm going to be using this one here, a Spectrum DX8. And for the Flybarless controller, I'm probably going to go with another one of these, but probably the mini version, depending what's going to fit in there. So we need retaining compound, yes. Medium thread locker, yes. CA glue, check. And proper lubricant, check. So just like on the bigger kit, every page requires one bag. So you go up to here, bag number 1, and everything you need for this page is in this bag. So there's no hunting around, fishing around for parts. So we have to start off with a tail servo, so that's this one here. So we're going to leave this loose for now until we've plugged it all in so that we can find the center point. Next, we got the frame. So next, we've got to install the Flybarless controller. But we've got to plug it into the PC first, set it up, plug all the cables in, and once the cables are all plugged in, then we can stick it down. So next, we've got to go into the software and just set it all up, which is pretty much just a step-by-step process. Oh, not on there. We'll just go with that one. I suppose that's the nearest one. Oh, right, so we've got the servos all working. For now, we just plugged in this Redfin Models 4S LiPo pack. Really, it needs a 6S, but for now, it's enough just to get it set up. So next, we've just got to tidy up all these cables, mount this Flybarless controller, and then we can go ahead and set up the speed controller. And then, I think it should be good to fly it. Alright guys, that is flat out. I don't think the 4S LiPo is enough. When we have a look at the ESC instructions here, it says it's been calibrated for 6S lipos. We're going to get some 6S lipos, then we're going to plug it in and give it another go. Oh, guys, the lipos have just turned up. So massive shout out to Gen's Ace for supplying these. Link to these are going to be down below, and also everything else that you see in this video. Check it out, guys. These should be perfect, but I am going to have to change the connectors. These come with EC3s, but I'm running this heli on XT60s. Boom! Alright, so we're now getting the head speed because of the 6S lipo. So next we got to set up the governor, which basically just sets the RPM in every stunt mode, put the blades on, and then go fly it. And hopefully not kill it. So there we go, got it plugged into the PC, got the software open, and I think we've got the governor set. So normal mode. Stunt 1. And stunt 2. And hold. Beautiful. So all we got to do now is get the blades back on, admire it while it still looks good, and then we can go and fly it. And check it out, here's the size comparison to a 700 size Goblin. Alright, so let's give it a quick hover, then take it out and fly it. We really don't want to be hitting that, or anything actually. So that wagging is because the tail gain is too high. So back in the software, you can either set it so you can set the gain in the radio or in the software. I prefer to do it in the software, so we click on here and then let's try it again. If it still wags, we can just bring this number down here. So that's better, but now it seems like the cyclic gain is shaking too much. So we can turn that down in here too. Basically, guys, it's going to be trial and error. I'll keep adjusting these until we get it nice. So I'm just going to put you back on when we got it nice. Too lively to start loading there. We have to take it out. So here's my final settings. We've got the cyclic on 8, but we might have to turn it down a little bit more because once you put the head speed up, then normally you want to put the gain down a little bit. So now we're going to take it out, give it a fly, and hopefully it's going to stay in one piece. All right, let's go. Here we are on location. Mark there's going to show us up with that in a minute. Oh! The old tail gain way too high. Oh, right, so you went into the phone app and we could adjust the tail gain on the gyro in the app. I can't show you now because it's not connected. But anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, round number 2. It's still too high, isn't it? It's got some crazy power though, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, Tumble-wumble! Oh, Tumble-wumble! What happened? Oh, that's game over for that one. Oh no, there's bits everywhere. That's that slaughtered. Oh no, that's gone. Neil.
Not too bad, is it? Well, it ain't gonna fly.
It's funny, after it crashed, it still flew.
Flying you were just doing then was pretty. That was Tarek. Yeah,
no.
I couldn't do what you just did with that.
Well, I couldn't. That feels like more fun than that one, because you don't care. Got the expert on the case.
It looks okay.
Yeah, the belt's alright. I think the boom's even alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bit of paint flaked off on the canopy. I think this lot here is alright, I think.
What, this?
Yeah, it looks a bit bent, doesn't it?
Yeah, maybe.
That's alright, we're not in it, so that don't matter. Oh, we're getting on the deck. Oh! Oh!
He's doing a bit of what you're going to do, isn't he?
He's doing a bit of me, isn't he, now? He's showing off now. Oh, nose dive. Oh!
Definitely. He's going for it, isn't he?
He's doing to me now, isn't he? He's definitely miles better than me. Hey, well done, mate.
That actually was really good flying.
So damage, really not that bad. I've got all the parts ordered. We're going to get this helicopter back into the air very, very soon. And we're going to see if we can fly it better next time. Also, we've got the Goblin 700 video coming up soon. I've got a Goblin 580 to build. So subscribe and smash the bell so that you don't miss it.